Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna do DIY using this mug because it's broken, and so that from so many days I just planning to do DIY on this mug. So today I got time, so I just done. This is how it looks finally. For that, what all steps you have to follow I'm going to show in this video, so please follow the steps. And who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification. And guys who are really feel this is useful, you know what to do, right? Please share this video and like this video. Thank you. And now let's get into the video. This is how it looks. I think you can see the crack mark on the mug. So I thought of doing DIY on this. So I'm using Mod Podge here and acrylic paint of white color and few markers, and this is of as you guys know, decoupage napkins. So here what I'm going to use, and one brush I'm going to use. So first what I'm going to do is, here it is acrylic paint, white one. I'm just using it here just to have a great look for each and every DIY of a decoupage. So you have to do this acrylic paint, you have to apply. So look how I'm applying, same way you also apply it. And you know, this is going to be great thrill, I can say. I was really so eager to do this DIYs, but only thing I should get time to do this, because we are a homemaker. As everybody who are really doing household chores obviously will not be having any time, but still we are finding some time and doing DIYs to show you people how we can reuse the things. So this is the decoupage, how I've just ordered through online only. If you want, I'll give this link in the description box, you can just have a look. And here look, whichever the design you want you can just make it, but here I decided to do this way. So even I didn't had any plan before doing this, only after just looking at the decoupage only I just planned what to do, where you have to stick which design, everything. So this is how I'm doing. You have to slightly remove slowly the back side of the wrapper of the decoupage one, because it will be very sensitive. The letters which I bought it from the newspaper, as you guys can see this, like one each letter I just pick it from the some different places from the newspaper. So look how what I'm going to do. I just all these things I'm doing to have a mom's kitchen on the mug. This is really great DIY, I can say. And how you can reuse the things, even it is broken, you can just reuse it and no need to throw away from your kitchen. And this is one of the DIY I've done. Three to four or five DIYs I have done, I think so. So I'll give those DIYs in the description box, you can have a look. And if you feel like doing it, please try out. And this all these are really useful for you guys. And look how great, how mom's kitchen is going to turn with this. Now look how I am sticking. What I have done is, after acrylic paint I have just applied Mod Podge glue also on top of that. Then I have stick the mom's kitchen, because that only the decoupage is sticking well. On this top of this also we are gonna apply Mod Podge glue, because the even the water, if something falls also, because we are not going to wash this, because we're going to use this as a showcase item. So no need to worry about that. If you want, you apply. If you want as it is also, you can just place it. Look how I'm designing. This is all instant ideas I really got. So same way I'm doing it. If you really like it, then you also try with the different designs also with the decoupage. So many ideas you will also get. Look how I'm sticking. You stick it. If you want more, some leaves are very light really there, so I thought of giving a little bit of dark color in between the leaves. So that also I'll show in this video. Look in the flower like this, wherever I feel it is empty, there I'm just sticking. I'm not that professional doing all this, but still with the own ideas I'm just doing it. Anybody can do it like this, or from every video, because everybody have their own ideas. If you want to do any DIYs like this, please do share those ideas with me. Even I'll also try your DIYs, because I'm damn interested in such things, creative things. which with not spending much. Look, I've just spent on mud sponge glue and acrylic paint, and this and all one shot. If you bring, we can use it for 3 to 4 DIYs. We can use it like this. Look how colorful. And mom's kitchen, you can see the eye is not visible, right? For that also I'm gonna do one trick in here. So wait till end. What I'm going to do here, I just try to stick, but I felt this is not so good as a particular place. So what I did, the back the layer I didn't remove, so I just tried as it is. Now I'm gonna remove. Look, I didn't like there, so again I removed the layer and sticking wherever I want now. Look here, I felt it's suiting well, right? So there I've just sticked over there. Now what I'm gonna do, this is how the overall look it came. Wow, mom's kitchen is awesome, right? Wow. Okay, though the eye is not visible now, what I'm gonna do, please watch here. The even the back side also good, and even the front also awesome. Wherever you want, you can just try. Look, what I'm going to do is, the leaves are very light, right? I'm not going to do for the all the leaves, only the whichever is too light leaves color in color. So I'm just doing a little bit dark. If you like, you do it. If you don't want, that's okay. You can keep it as it is. Naturally it will be look, it's really looks good. And I'm not doing for all the leaves. And here, if you observe, look, even this is also, yes, mixed leaves. It colors are so colorful, pink and a bit parrot green color and bit dark green. I'm just adding it here, and a few dots also I'm gonna give. See how I'm doing it, guys. If you really like my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notifications. And I'm also doing cooking videos, garden videos, even cleaning videos, decorating videos. And here also, see, those also very small leaves are really I felt it is a light in color which is not visible here, so I thought of darkening those leaves. So okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one more color, so I'm going to give a small dots. See, I what I did, see, this is somewhat good, no? I really like this. With that leaf only we can find that is a eye. I just given a dot on that leaf. I just really, it came very naturally. I didn't plan also, but it turned so well. Really, I gave a pink, I took pink color, and look how I'm giving the dots. Wow, nice, no? This is really good, great idea, really. And this is how it turned out finally. Mom's kitchen, you can just use it in the kitchen to have your like. After that, after sticking, what you have to do is you have to just apply a mud sponge glue on that, so that even you can wash it also, so that anyhow it is a broken one. So I'm not going to wash this because still it should stay for a long time, means you have to apply a Mod Podge glue, so that it will be very useful. Look how finally, after drying everything, the glue and all, then finally it looks like this. I hope you really enjoyed with this video, and it is very useful for your broken mugs, and it is turned so beautiful. I really love this DIY, guys. Anyway, who are watching me, I know so many times I've told you, and please do that. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.